Tuskegee Syphilis Study. The study began in 1932, and it was done to find a cure for syphilis. The experiment was called Tuskegee Study of Untreated Syphilis in the Negro Male. 600 men had participated in the study. The study was conducted by United States Public Health. The study became extremely controversial. This study shaped the way research and studies are now done. When the study started, there was no known cure for syphilis. The people involved in the study were told they were being treated for bad blood.
What is syphilis? Syphilis is an STD that can cause long-term complications if not treated correctly. These stages are primary, secondary, latent, and late syphilis. The 4 stages. The primary stage of syphilis is when the syphilis should be treated and when it does the least amount of damage. A single sore is in the spot where the syphilis enters the body. The sore may last 3 to 6 weeks. The secondary sore rash can show up a few weeks after the primary has healed. The rash looks rough, red, or reddish-brown. Other symptoms are fever, swollen lymph glands, sore throat, patchy hair loss, headaches, weight loss, and more. The latent stage usually will not appear until 10 to 30 years after your first symptoms. The symptoms of latent stage syphilis: difficulty in coordinating muscle movements and paralysis. In different parts of the body, eventually you may get dementia. In late stage syphilis, it damages your internal organs and may result in death.
Why was the study wrong? The men were never told about or offered informed consent. Researchers had not informed the men of the actual name of the study, Tuskegee Study of Untreated Syphilis in the Negro Male. There were no proven treatments for syphilis when the study began. When penicillin became the standard treatment for the disease in 1947, the medicine was withheld as part of the treatment for both the experimental group and the control group. Also, the men never knew of the life-threatening consequences of the treatments they were to receive and the impact on their wives and children. There were no choices given to the participants to quit the study when penicillin became available as a treatment and cure for syphilis.
Why was it conducted? It was conducted to study the natural progression of untreated syphilis in African American men who thought they were receiving free health care from the U.S. government. The men were told that they were going to be treated for bad blood. By the time the experiment was stopped, dozens of men had already died and unknowingly transferred the disease to their wives, children, and an untold number of others. While the men gave their consent, they were never told every detail about the experiment. If they had known everything, not many would have agreed to doing it.